All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on, and let's take it out for a drive. So, like I mentioned, this is the famous B58 inline 6 turbocharged engine that BMW has been using for quite some time. This one makes 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque in this variant. Now, the M340i actually got a power bump for the 2025 model year. Unlike this one, it went up to 386, which is quite interesting that they decided not to put the 386 in this variant as well. But nonetheless, I mean, it is a pocket rocket. It's a fast car. All right, so we're gonna set off in normal mode. And let's talk about some of the things really quick. Now, for the 2025 model year, I did read up a little bit of information on what they actually did, other than, you know, the interior, getting the flat bottom steering wheel, the automatic start-stop. You could still turn it off in this variant, unlike a lot of the other inline 6 variants, so from the X5 as well as the 5 Series, which is a good thing since this one doesn't have the 48 volt mild hyper system. You can still do that, which is a fantastic thing. But I read a little bit of changes. They've done some things to the suspension to make it a little bit more enjoyable when it comes to regular driving, and add a little bit of firmness. Now, this does come with the active suspension, so you can go ahead and actually have it different depending on the drive modes you're in. But setting off in regular mode, it feels really good. The engine livens up, even giving it a little bit of input in the throttle. We're actually going to throw it into sport mode, and then we're going to take it down this road, as well as we're going to put it into the S transmission, and let's see how this puppy drives. Yeah, it hooks up really well, and since this does have the M limited slip differential at the rear, it's actually mitigating power delivery to either side of the wheel to make it a lot better and enjoyable around the curves, and you're not sliding as much around, which is a great thing. Really happy to see that they did that. And the brakes feel really good. I believe these are the 4-piston brakes. You still hear the pops. Now, I will note, unlike the M440i that I drove over here, there's no like added sound into the cabin, which is nice. I'm glad to see that BMW went ahead and did that instead of like adding it into the cabin. This is something that a lot of people complain about with the M440i as well as the M340i, that having that augmented sound in the interior just wasn't it. Like, you could feel all those like little burbles underneath the seat and stuff. It was all fake, but it does have some pop crackle in the exhaust system that has been around since the actual first model year of the G42. So that's a really nice thing that BMW still kept that, even though all these emission changings and stuff like that that's going on in Europe that affects this vehicle stateside. Really nice that BMW went ahead and did the absolute opposite. But let's give it one more push. Yeah, this engine is just, legendary. It's gonna go down in BMW's books as the greatest engine to ever be produced by them. It is insane to me that they have created such a beautifully done engine in such a compact vehicle like this. I mean, it's just magnificent. I think it's just great, when it comes to comparing to the Audi S3, that one makes more horsepower, yes, but it's also not as lively as what this vehicle feels when you're going around the curves. You actually feel that rear-wheel drive base. Even though it is an all-wheel drive vehicle, you feel more power being delivered and to like the rear rather than the front, which I'm actually really happy to know about that, because sometimes when it comes to like automakers, what they do is that all-wheel drive systems, they'll just split the power 50-50. With this one, it's a little bit different. You actually feel that delivery power going to either side of the rear wheels rather than the front. You don't feel that much grip. But nonetheless, once again, thank you all for watching. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.